Claude AI is a user-friendly assistant designed to help you with tasks like research, answering questions, and summarizing information. In this video, we'll explore the basics of Claude AI and share practical examples of how it can assist you in everyday tasks. Claude AI is an AI assistant created to provide helpful conversational support. It's similar to a virtual assistant, designed to make complex information easy to understand and manage. Claude can help with a wide range of activities, from providing quick answers to detailed research. It's like having a knowledgeable friend who's always ready to help clarify topics or answer questions. One of Claude's best uses is for research and learning. If you need to understand a new topic or find credible information quickly, just ask Claude a question. For example, if you're studying climate change, you could type, "Explain the main causes of climate change," and Claude will give you a clear, organized response. This feature is particularly helpful for students, writers, or anyone who needs to learn new concepts on the go. Claude is also great for summarizing lengthy documents or articles. Say you have a long report to read and you're short on time. You can paste the text into Claude and ask for a summary. Claude will break down the main points so you can understand the gist without having to read every word. This can save time and make it easier to grasp key information. Claude can answer questions in an easy-to-understand way, making it useful for day-to-day inquiries. For instance, if you're curious about the benefits of a plant-based diet or need to know how to organize a budget, Claude can give you quick, relevant advice that's easy to act on. Think of Claude as a resourceful guide for life's practical questions. Claude AI is more than just a search engine. It's a friendly assistant designed to help you find and understand information quickly and easily. Whether you need research support, a quick summary, or answers to practical questions, Claude makes it all feel approachable. If this video helped you understand how to use Claude AI, please hit like and follow for more content on useful tech tools. Thanks for watching.